Good morning! Today is a Sunday morning here in San Diego, and we are taking Chumby for a beach walk. So we are here in Lajolla Shores with my dad, who's currently walking Chumby. And look at him! He doesn't want to get close to the waves. This little boy. So much character. There's a bird. See our little Chumby. So here in Lajolla Shores and most of the beaches here in San Diego, they allow leashed pets until 9 a.m. Chumby. See? It's nice and cold. Nice and cold. So this is what Chumby is trying to avoid, because it's kind of cold. The water is really cold and freezing here. Actually, Chumby loves bigger dogs. I think he feels like he's big. There's a lot of surfers this morning. And then later, we're gonna give Chumby a bath. I'm also gonna set up an appointment for his nails to get cut, because it's getting really long. See? See, he wanna say hello, but not really. Chumby also loves it so much whenever he sees dogs around. He gets excited. There's a lady paddle boarding right now. I want to try that in the future. If I am more fit. I just need to lose a lot of weight. The reason I said that is because when you paddle board, you really need to be able to balance. So as you can see, there's also a lot of folks here in Lajolla Shores, and of course there's still pandemic. We need to always wear a mask and keep our distance. So if you see folks who are not wearing masks, don't follow them. Always wear a mask when you're going outside. See, there's plenty of dogs here. See, Chumby is so amazed by the dogs. He loves meeting them. We really have to continue training Chumby so that he's gonna be nice whenever he sees dogs. Just look at him. Look, see? He's so playful. Thank you. Yeah, see, there's a lot more dogs. Tatay, just stay here and because he might get, you know. Chumby, be nice, baby. Before we leave home, I always talk to Chumby and remind him to be nice and to behave and to listen to our, you know, instructions and all that. And he seemed to listen. Kahapon, when we went to a winery, we left Chumby at home because they do not allow dogs inside. And, you know, we do have a pet com at home, and I just saw Chumby lounging on the sofa. And he just slept while we were out. He was really, you know, really nice, and he does listen. Chumby, we're close by. Go, go. Kaya lang baka biglang mapagod. So we're trying to get to that one. Pero pagod na yata si tatay kasi Chumby, he's really solid, and when he pulls us, talagang kayang-kaya niya kami, kaya I really have to train him. And I met someone who has a big dog at the park the other day, and he gave me some tips on how I can, you know, train Chumby better, and he said that this is the right time to really train him. We actually took him to PetSmart basic training, but you know, when you send them over to training, the owners have to be present as well. They said that when you're training your dog, it's important that there's consistency at home. Ibig sabihin, kapag tinuturuan mo kasi yung aso at inconsistent, hindi alam ng ibang kasama niya sa bahay yung mga tricks na tinuturo mo sa kanya, hindi niya matatandaan. So that's the number one tip. Has to be consistent. Everybody at home should do the same. I think he's ready to poop. Okay, let me tend to Chumby right now. Let's see Chumby's reaction. He found new friends and they're just sniffing each other. Okay, Chumby-san, thank you. Oh my God, my baby boy. So the other day, Ate Amelia, I met with Ate Amelia and Ate Babette here in Lajolla Shores. I think that was last weekend ago, and this is where we had a brunch at the Caroline's Cafe. See how nice it is, and it's just right in the front of this beautiful, spectacular beach. Layo na kagad nila tatay, oh. So we're gonna be right there. That's our mark. We're gonna take some pictures and we're gonna call it a day. Chumby met another friend, but this guy is quite aggressive. He keeps barking at Chumby. Oh, look at Chumby. See, 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 see. He's trying to be the dominant one. See? You see? Oh my God. He keeps on scaring him. Poor guy. See? Oh my God. Look, look. The other guy is all bark. Okay, so Chumby, after his bath today, I'm sure he's gonna doze off. This guy, see? Look at Chubby, he's just oh my God. See, it's nice to have a dog, you know. I got Chumby about a year ago, and he's a great companion. He's the best. His breed is really the best for my personality as well. He's very clingy. Thank you. And he has done so much, especially for my mental health. You know what? I think Chumby wanted to play with those two big dogs. Ha? Gusto niya na. But ayaw nung ano, hayaan mo kasi baka hindi pa sila trained. Okay, Chumby, let's go. We're close by. We're close by. Chumby. Okay. See, you see how Chumby is drawn to bigger dogs? That's a lab. But the lab is so patient and calm. Look at her, right? And she waited for her master to give him, I think it's a he, a go signal before he approached Chumby. Okay, we're close by. So we finally arrived here. It's a good 30-minute walk, and there you go. Chumby and Tatay is here, so let's take a picture of Tatay and Chumby. Chumby, did you enjoy the walk? Huh? You wanna go with me? Okay, good job, baby. Good job. Baka pupupo na yan. Okay, so Tatay wanted to see those rocks over there. Oops. Tay! Face mask! Face mask! People are starting to put up their picnic stuff. Get Chumby to walk by the water. Earlier he was really scared. But look at him now, my little boy. My little boy got used to it now. Good job, Chumby. So we're heading back, but we're gonna drop by Caroline's Cafe to grab coffee. Tatay is really patient in, you know, walking Chumby. And he also loves the beach too. Tay, ayun! See, look at my baby boy. He's still avoiding the water. So Chumby met another 5-month-old friend. He's very playful. Okay, so we got here by Caroline's Cafe. That's Tatay, and we're just cleaning up right here before I get up. Okay, so I'm gonna go up and grab some coffee and a sandwich, and so Papa and I can relax here before we head back to the car. Okay, that was a good walk. Here are a couple of photos from Caroline's Cafe, and a great view. Great news, we just came from Caroline's Cafe right here. They allow dogs, so that's great news. Chumby gets to enjoy breakfast with Papa and I. And right now, he's playing with another friend. right over there. But can you see the view right here? It's just nice, calming and relaxing. Chumby, come on. Chumby, let's go. See? That's Chumby. Alright, Chumby. Did you have a good day? Now we're gonna walk to the car, okay? It's far from here. Let's go. Okay, tatay. So, the day in the beach is done. It's already past 9 o'clock and we're heading back to the car. Since it's already past 9, dogs are no longer allowed by the beach. So that's why we're taking the street to get back to the car. Can you see all of those houses? Doon sa hill na yun? Para tayong nasa Greece, no? So welcome to Greece! So yeah, so that's Chumby's day. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. Please continue to do so. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Have a good day, everybody.